making Mongolian beef.
Mongolian beef, here we go. All right, we sliced up some steak just nice and thin, seasoned it with a little soy sauce, some garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And then we just, about 2-3 minutes on each side, just kind of crisped it up, got a little cook there. And then in the pan, we put some onion, mushroom, some green onion, and then we're gonna add a little garlic to that and get the veggies all cooked up here. All right, we're gonna have our Mongolian beef with some ramen rice noodles. So we're just gonna boil a little water, throw a few of those in here, get those cooking. And right here, we got the onions, mushrooms, and garlic all cooked down, and we're gonna add the meat and sauce to that next. All right, we added the meat back into the veggies, added a little salt and sugar, just to sweeten it up a little bit. And we got ourselves some Mongolian beef. We're gonna put it over those noodles when they're done and try it out. Okay, we got our Mongolian beef over some rice noodles, and here is the taste test. What do you think?
Really good.
Really good. We got a really good. Awesome.